GoPro handy. I actually have a dash cam now, but I don't have it hooked up, so I have the GoPro. You want to hold it while I drive? I'm gonna turn this down so I don't get demonetized. No, put it at. Yeah, you're just not putting it at. You're literally doing it so wrong.
I can literally see you.
No, you're not.
I can see you.
There, that's at me.
Philip, you just made it. Okay. Okay.
That's fired at me.
Okay.
So we're on our way home. It's a 18-hour drive, 18-hour drive. We're on our way to Chattanooga, Tennessee. Has some great views, a great takeout pizza place that we ate last time at the hotel, which by the way was a really nice hotel and it's really cheap too. It's up in the mountains, really nice. I'll try and get that recorded, but yeah, we're just driving now. Can't wait to get home, back to the G, and start making more car videos. And you can see we have all the stuff behind us because we packed my girlfriend's car. You want to pan and show it?
I'm working on it.
Yeah, it's fully packed, so see you guys in Tennessee. So we just left, well, I guess just left Tennessee. I don't know if we're still in Tennessee. Leaving it now. And it was beautiful. We stayed at, was it Watch Out Mountain? Watch Out. On Lookout, Watch Out Mountain. We stayed at Lookout Mountain and Red Roof Inn. Nice hotel, it was cheap. That's why we picked it. It was really nice, had some really good local pizza. And overall, it's a very scenic, beautiful area. And it was weird because when we came through here, it was all green and lush, and now it's all brown and dead. So, change of scenery. Alyssa's driving right now. And see you guys in Kansas City. And a little peek at the G. I don't know if you guys could tell, I'm back. I'm in the Infiniti. This is gonna be my first time starting it up, driving it in 5 months, and that'll pretty much be the first time this car's moved. I think my dad said he took it out just once, kind of in the middle, so pretty much it's sat for 5 months. Probably gonna hear some weird noises on startup, but I'm excited. Let's start her up. All right. Damn, I think it's dead. No way, it's not starting. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Well, I think that was a fail. Yeah, because some lights are pretty dim. I think the battery's dead. Fuck. Well, I tried. So, we're gonna try and jump start it. I have it hooked up to my mom's Kia over there. We're gonna give this a try. Oh, I guess both my remote batteries are dead. That's fun. Alright, I'm gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Okay. See if she starts up. Record my reaction if it works or not. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nah, it's dead. Damn. It's not, it doesn't even want to crank. Yeah. It doesn't even want to crank at all. I just hear the starter just going crazy. I can't, doesn't even want to crank. Like I said, I just hear the starter. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Here, I'll do it one more time. See if you can listen to this. Yeah, that's all I'm getting. So hopefully it's just a battery. Find out in a bit.